largest earth pressure balance machines ever built. A true...
Hold it right there, easy.
There's precision. This cargo weighs over several hundred.
All systems nominal, proceed with descent. Copy that, lowering into... Pressure is holding at 340.
Copy that, system is ready.
Is holding steady. Copy that, automation is handling load.
Big Bertha. As it advances, precise rings take shape. A perfect concrete.
Copy that, increasing cutterhead torque slightly. All systems normal. All right, let's get that next disc lined up. Ready when you are, line. Hold it right there. Safety is our top priority.
Redundant systems ensure workers...
Here comes, look at that rock give way. All teams, prepare for break.
The dismantling begins. This is a critical lift for the engineering team.
Lighting is fully operational.
This structure is ready.
Big Bertha is a true engineering titan. Watch as it dwarfs engineering, redefining the city's future.
This is Big Bertha, one of the largest earth pressure balance machines ever built. A true marvel of modern engineering.
Hold it right there, easy.
Moving a massive tunnel boring machine requires precision. This cargo weighs over several hundred tons.
All systems nominal, proceed with descent. Copy that, lowering into position now.
Pressure is holding at 340.
Copy that, system is ready.
The belt speed is holding steady. Copy that, automation is handling the load.
This is the belly of Big Bertha. As it advances, precise rings take shape. A perfect concrete tunnel ring is completed.
Bertha is on track, thrust pressure holding steady. Copy that, increasing cutterhead torque slightly. All systems normal in Sector 4.
All right, let's get that next disc lined up. Ready when you are. Check the pressure on that line. Hold it right there. Safety is our top priority.
Redundant systems ensure worker safety.
Here it comes, look at that rock give way. All teams, prepare for breakthrough.
After years of drilling, the dismantling begins. This is a critical lift for the engineering team.
Easy does it, watch the clearance.
The concrete lining looks flawless.
Lighting is fully operational.
This structure is ready.
At over 57 feet in diameter, Big Bertha is a true engineering titan. Watch as it dwarfs the workers and trucks beside. A breakthrough in modern engineering, redefining the city's future. A true masterpiece.